A student at local high school, Johns Grove South, has become an inspiration to her peers due to her outstanding athletic performances. Junior Brea Griffin is a track athlete who is pushing herself to new heights in pole vault.
My goals for pole vaulting is to first make it into conference for this indoor season and then start inverting better to get myself over the bar better. And I do want to play in college if possible, but if not, then that would also be okay, but it's something I enjoy. Well, during the jump, I'm not really thinking about anything unless there was something my coach told me to work on, then I'm trying to think about that. But when I'm in the air, it's kind of like one and done thing. I don't really have much time to think. And then after you clear a bar, it's a really accomplishing feeling to look back and see the bars still hanging up.
I think she is a little fearless. Like that was one of the first things I kind of saw. She wasn't afraid to plant into the box, make our way up the pole, and that helps out, right? She's really getting to the kind of the higher end of the pole vault skills now, learning how to invert and learning how to kind of really turn and go over a bar. So invert means, so in the pole vault progression, we need to run fast to put energy into the pole. Once we put energy in the pole, that pole begins to bend. That energy also helps us get to vertical with the pole, up and down. What we like to see is our athletes swing up to get their feet to the top of the pole. And so that's what inverting means.
Make sure to be on the lookout for the pole vault team as they continue to prepare for the conference meet. With the Blueprint News Network in Downers Grove, I'm Grace Breslin.